welcome to this quick overview of Mid-Year Madness 2022. Now what I would say about this product, I mean, a lot of people will always say that different products are effectively a business in a box, but this one really is, because I would say that what you have inside Mid-Year Madness is everything that you could possibly need to start a new business from scratch, because you've got access to 32 products that you can use yourself, and within those 32 products you've got training on pretty much all aspects of internet and affiliate marketing. So if you're brand new, you'll be able to come here and get the knowledge that you need to start a new business. Then on top of that, you've got reseller rights to these products, which means that you've effectively got 32 products that you can sell exactly as if they were your very own. So that's like having product creation taken care of for you. You've also got training in here that enables you to get free traffic. So, you know, even if you're starting out again from nothing without any email list or anything like that, you'd be able to come in here and you've got the resources that you need. And we provide you with the resources that you need to promote, such as free squeeze pages. So there's no need to go out and buy page builders or anything like that. So, for the price point that we're asking for this during the launch period, which is under $10, it's crazy. But even if you're picking this up after the launch at the regular price of $29.95, it is still the ultimate, you know, no-brainer deal, because it's a complete business in a box. And out of all the products that we've released, this is probably the most complete in terms of having all the resources in one place where someone can just come in and then start. Because obviously you in the members area you've got your overview, and then you've got your main training. So we're going to give you the introduction to training, then you're going to be able to pick up your 100% reseller rights to all these 32 products. Then you're going to be able to access the products yourself. This was from the original version of Mid-Year Madness that we launched just over a year ago. So the products in here are actually different to the ones that are going to be inside. We haven't loaded the new products yet, but you can get those. You can see a full list of those on this sales page. So I can't remember if they're underneath or above this video, but there's a complete list of everything that you'll get inside. I just haven't loaded them. Loaded the new products into the members area yet. We did a similar exercise a year ago, and obviously at that point the products were for the previous year, so if that makes sense. So that's really it, folks. It's a complete business in a box. For the price that we're asking for, as I said, you're not going to get any better deal than this. So take it or leave it, folks, but honestly there isn't anything better out there that you can run with and just, you know, start a business from scratch using all of the resources that we've got here. So myself and Breweria look forward to seeing you inside this members area very soon, and you can get cracking with all of the training for yourself, and of course the 100% commissions that you can earn from all those reseller rights. So we look forward to seeing you inside.